हेलो एंड वेलकम टू मुंबई से मैनचेस्टर। मैं हूं निखिल और ये है पोस्ट मैच रिएक्शन to the game between RB Leipzig and Manchester United. In this video, we are going to talk about 4 things that went wrong for us in the game. And we are also going to look at 3 other things that were outside the game or happened before the game and led to this result. Manchester United has been knocked out of the Champions League after losing the game 3-2. A game that United was only supposed to draw. ये ऐसा गेम था और ऐसी सिचुएशन थी जो हमने खुद के लिए क्रिएट कर ली थी। ये गेम की इंपॉर्टेंस शुडंट हैव बीन देयर इन द फर्स्ट प्लेस। हम कब के क्वालिफाई हो जाने चाहिए थे, बट जस्ट एज हमारी आदत बन चुकी है कि लास्ट मिनट के लिए छोड़ दो, कंसीड कर दो गोल्स, बाद में आके स्कोर करो, जीत भी जाओ। आई नो हमने यूनाइटेड को ऐसे फाइट बैक करते हुए देखा है, बट ये कुछ ज्यादा ही रेगुलरली हो रहा है, कुछ ज्यादा ही। आई वोंट टेक अवे द गुड थिंग्स लाइप्जिग डिड। ये गेम में लाइप्जिग के प्लेयर्स लुक्ड मच हंग्री right from the start of the whistle. They were all out there. They were giving it all. Or I don't think हमारे players really got the grip and the gravity of this game. Maybe even till like 25-30 minutes, even after we had conceded a couple of goals. वही lethargic movements, unawareness of where your opponent is, completely disappointing. और डिफेंडिंग की बात करें तो मतलब पूरी एक कथा लिख सकते, कोई एक बड़ी सी स्टोरी लिख सकते हैं, या फिर एक बुकलेट ही बन जाए जिसमें लिखे हाउ टू नॉट डिफेंड। एंड probably every example could be of how United has been defending till in this season. तो पहले गोल की बात करते हैं। एंजेलिनो का शॉट फ्रॉम द बॉक्स फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट साइड, मतलब खुलेआम उसने शॉट ले लिया। हमारा कोई डिफेंडर उसको प्रेस नहीं कर रहा था। वी कंप्लीटली अलाउड हिम ऑल द फ्रीडम इन द वर्ल्ड। गेम के फर्स्ट मिनट से हमने देखा कि एंजेलिनो वाज अटैकिंग। नगेल्समैन साइडलाइन से चिल्ला रहा था, चीख रहा था, अटैक अटैक अटैक। वही इंस्ट्रक्शन मिल रहा था। आई एम प्रीटी श्योर वान बिसाका हर्ड इट। आई एम प्रीटी श्योर अदर प्लेयर्स ऑन द पिच हर्ड इट। फर्स्ट गोल के केस में वान बिसाका और नगिल्स और एंजेलिनो के बीच में बहुत गैप था। दैट्स अ गैप he could have easily closed. He could have probably tried to tackle him before he got into the box, which, to be honest, Wan Bissaka one-on-one is amazing. So I'm not even sure why he did that. And that's the reason I would call him, he was just sleeping. He was not ready for the game. Can't simply explain it. Like a fabulous tackler letting the player literally waltz in, take a free shot, and the goal goes in. Second goal, सेम स्टोरी। लेफ्ट से बॉल आता है, एंजेलिनो क्रॉस इजीली दे देता है। बहुत अगेन बिग गैप बिटवीन हिम एंड वान बिसाका। देयर इज नो इंटेंट टू ट्राई टू ब्लॉक इट, ट्राई टू गेट अ कॉर्नर, लाइक कंसीड अ कॉर्नर। यू कुड डिफेंड वेल मे बी ओवर देयर, बट नहीं, हमने क्रॉस लेने दिया। अ नाइस लूपिंग बॉल कम्स इन एंड हाइद्रा, जो उनका CDM, ही वॉज फ्री। बाकी के डिफेंडर जो बॉक्स में रहने चाहिए थे वो भी सो रहे थे। आई एम लिटरली स्पीचलेस। पहले 2 गोल्स देखे थे, लाइक मतलब क्या चल रहा है? इज दिस द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट गेम ऑफ द सीजन? इट डिडंट सीम लाइक द प्लेयर्स रियली फेल्ट इट। अब ये प्लेयर्स सोशल मीडिया पे डालेंगे कि वी आर सो डिसअपॉइंटेड एंड वी आर सॉरी, पर ये अभी पता नहीं सालों से देख रहे, बड़े मोमेंट्स पे आके यू चोक, or not just choke, you simply go lose and sleep, like don't give the game enough importance. And not sure if I mentioned, this was the biggest game. This might be the biggest game that we played during this season. Third goal हमने जो concede किया, again, schoolboy defending. Like, probably schoolboys defend better. मतलब communication ही नहीं between the keeper and the center back. Clivert came on as a substitute and he was fresh. उसने देखा chance, उसने score कर दिया. Again, a goal that we could have avoided. We gave away 3 goals that clearly could have been avoided. I don't know what the post-match talk would be from Ole to these players, because Ole is banking on these players. He's backing them every day. And it seems like these players are letting him down. हमने 2 goal pull किए, but I'm not going to talk too much about it. ये वही होता है कि लास्ट 10-15 मिनट में कुछ तो स्टिच अप करके वी गॉट कपल ऑफ गोल्स, जबकि हमने 80-90% ऑफ द मैच में बिल्कुल ही इंटेंट नहीं दिखाया ये गेम जीतने का या ड्रॉ करने का, जो बेयर मिनिमम रिक्वायरमेंट था. मतलब दे आर नॉट वर्थ टॉकिंग. डिडंट मैटर. थर्ड गोल शायद स्कोर कर लेते, ओन गोल हो सकता था वापस कोनाटे का पैर लग के, बट गुलासी मेड इसके सेव. बट अगेन, like the way we played was simply shameful. Leipzig were literally running circles around our players. मतलब चांस ही नहीं दे रहे थे. जब वो पोजीशन रख रहे थे, they could easily stitch 8 to 10 passes. Maybe I'm exaggerating, but हम शायद 2-3 पास भी नहीं कर पा रहे थे ढंग के. So I mentioned the goals, but let's think about what really went wrong for us in the game. Defending, definitely first thing, the first and most important thing. Tino goal, as I mentioned, matlab, you can't defend like that against a team who presses high, who is looking to score. You can't be doing that. For matter any team. Simply horrible defending. And I don't know what were the instructions, what kind of message was being passed after we conceded the first goal. Literally, Mick Phelan ने उतर के इनको दंडों से मारना चाहिए था, ये जो डिफेंडिंग कर रहे थे हम. दूसरा गोल गया, उसके बाद क्या हुआ? I don't think we woke up until like 30-35 minutes into the game after conceding 2 goals. The second thing, in a way, maybe not everyone would agree, formation change. रिवर्स पिक्चर हम फाइनल जीते थे, वो गेम में हम 4-3-1-2 या 4-2-3-1 जैसे खेले थे. आई एम नॉट रियली श्योर व्हाई वी डिसाइडेड टू चेंज द फॉर्मेशन. Shaw was just coming back from an injury. I don't know how fresh. I think he still did okay compared to some of our other defenders. But how fresh was he? And to bank on him to switch to 3 or 5 at the back, I am not sure. I'll blame Ole a bit for that. If things are not broken, don't try to fix it. In that reverse picture, हम वो 4 at the back खेले, हमने बहुत चांसेस क्रिएट किए, एक्चुअली बेटर चांसेस क्रिएट किए. एंड एट द सेम टाइम वो गेम में ऐसे लगा कि लाइप्जिग वर नॉट ऑन द टॉप, जो आज केस नहीं था. लाइप्जिग लिटरली, एज आई मेंशन, ran circles around us. I really can't answer why we did that formation change. We could have stuck to 4 at the back, and we did that in the second half. Telles को निकाला, which I feel, again, I don't know if he was injured, but Shaw को निकालना चाहिए था, because there's a chance कि ये high pressing game चल रहा है and Shaw might get injured, जो eventually हुआ. But again, you can't predict those things. But we switched to 4 at the back. We brought in Van de Beek, and we seem to be in better control. Don't change things that are not broken. Third, I think Nagelsmann's tactics really worked. He had motivated his players well enough. His players, as I mentioned, were hungry. His tactic to actually kind of double team or like tackle Bruno as soon as he has the ball really worked. जब भी ब्रूनो के पास बॉल गया फर्स्ट हाफ में, he didn't really have a clear opportunity. He didn't really have good enough space to play that ball that he would usually do. He was crowded quickly. He was tackled and ball taken away from him. That tactic worked brilliantly. Probably that was down to us lacking another creative player on the field. With McTominay and Matic, जो दोनों CDM है, Bruno was the only outlet. So yeah, kudos to Nagelsmann and his tactics. He's a brilliant manager. He was very unfortunate to lose final last time around, but yeah, well played, Julian Nagelsmann. Well played. Fourthly, I think we definitely missed the energy of Fred, the dynamism, the work rate that he has. And it is down to him, to be honest. But yeah, we did miss him. He got suspended because of a foolish headbutt in during the PSG game. And yeah, I blame him for that. But I would definitely concede कि उसकी एनर्जी और डायनामिज्म बहुत मिस की हमने, बहुत ज्यादा. I think had he been in this game, things might have panned slightly differently for us. The way he rushes, the way he presses, the way he tackles, he sees the danger, and that box to box attitude, constantly covering every blade of grass really helps. That was the lack of energy that we had. That was the energy that we needed. So yeah, I would say we definitely missed him. Big miss today. So besides match related aspects, there were some other aspects as well, in a way, I think that impacted the game. First, Pogba, Raiola. Pogba was sold for a reason back in the day. The Glazers bought him, or Woodward bought him, I think because he was a marquee signing. He was a well known player, he could sell shirts. I don't know if he fitted that mold. He has been with us almost क्या 4-5 साल होने आगे. I know he helped us win the Europa League. I'm not taking it away. But वो एटीट्यूड ही नहीं है. एंड ऐसा एजेंट जो कॉन्स्टेंटली डिस्ट्रैक्शन रखेगा, कमेंट्स पास करते रहेगा. And I don't know if he made the comments very recently and they were just published now. Like maybe he made the comments some time ago and they were published now. But it doesn't matter. तुम तुम्हारे प्लेयर के साथ बात कर लो. तुम्हें लगता है तुम्हें क्लब छोड़ना है तो भाई भागो, छोड़ो क्लब. फालतू में डिस्ट्रैक्शन क्रिएट मत करो. एंड कुछ कुछ लोग कहेंगे कि अरे ये तो रायोला ने कहा, पॉग्बा ने कुछ कहा किधर. द एजेंट वर्क्स फॉर द प्लेयर एंड नॉट द अदर वे अराउंड. ये पॉग्बा के ही शब्द है ये जो बाहर आ रहे हैं. वी शुड नॉट बी फूल्स एंड रियली अज्यूम अरे ये तो रायोला का इंटेंट है, वो उसकी सैलरी बढ़ाने की कोशिश कर रहा है, और या फिर he's trying to just try to get some agent fees by getting another big transfer. This is definitely not helping. Just get rid of him. Get rid of the player. And I'm sorry to say, Haaland is a player that I love. Unfortunately, I think United should not go for him because he has Raiola as his agent. That was the first distraction or aspect that affected this game. Secondly, the loss against Istanbul Basaksehir, a game that we could have won easily. And we showed that in that reverse fixture, at that Old Trafford fixture. We simply took them lightly. The trend that we have been seeing for quite some time. Sometimes we take our opponents very lightly, go in there, concede goals, and sometimes fight back. Most of the times we are fighting back. But that case, yeah, those were the 3 points that we dropped. 12 पॉइंट पे रहते तब एंड हम क्वालिफाई हो चुके रहते. Thirdly, PSG वाला loss. We went toe to toe against PSG and we did fairly well. But at the end of the day, when it came to those crucial moments of taking those chances, we didn't really take them. It's simply like, had we taken those chances, again, it's would have, could have, should have, but had we taken those chances, और 3 पॉइंट, 15 पॉइंट, और एटलीस्ट 12, लेट्स से इस्तांबुल वाला हार गए, वो गेम जीत जाते और ये गेम इतना वाइटल नहीं रहता. तो या those are the 3 points I think out of the game that impacted us, besides the in-game aspects which are more crucial. But yeah, now that we are relegated in a way, I would say, to the Europa League, we would be playing with the second tier of elite clubs. I don't know how important or how much importance we should give to this particular cup. I know we won this in 2017 and we are proud of it. That helped us qualify to the Champions League. But again, is this cup that important? We need to fight for the Premier League. Currently हम 5 पॉइंट पीछे है टॉटनम के with a game in hand. That means effectively thinking about big picture, not talking about the City game, but हम effectively सिर्फ 2 पॉइंट पीछे है. And we can at least give a fight and end in a respectable position at the end of the season. We should, in my opinion, focus on the Premier League. यूरोपा लीग के गेम्स आप थर्सडे को खेलते हो एंड देन यू समटाइम्स हैव प्रीमियर लीग गेम्स ऑन अ सैटरडे एंड सैटरडे आफ्टरनून. It's just crazy. Like it's crazy toll on players' bodies, and I completely sympathize जो जब वैसे situations बाकी teams and managers पे आते हैं. So yeah, I feel we should focus our energies on the Premier League. We should play our second string or whatever we want to play in that Europa League. Get away and focus solely on the Premier League. And yeah, बाकी cup games जो रहेंगे हमारे internally. So that's it from me, guys. That was a post-match reaction to the game. As I said, disappointing result for all United fans. Congratulations to Leipzig. But yeah, a sad day. I hope you do like the content. Please do continue watching. Please consider subscribing and do comment and share. Thank you.